Don't say bad words. Ow! Dude, bakit ka may isa?
Dito lang ako.
Teka lang, teka lang. Only way to get back is to fight. Dude, this is where.
Mabok ko.
Dude, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, bruh? Oh hell nah, dude, I mean, dude, don't distract me, boy. Look like you have to get jump scared then. Yay! The homies! You made it! Should we separate and find a
The door?
good idea? Good idea. Alright, Dwight! Split up tayo, split up pa. Split up. Ay, nagara mo. Sige, tito ako. Hanapin ko yung pinto. Hindi tayo, Lulu. Alright. Dude, saan ka pa? Dwight. Oh, hell nah. Look, okay, I will get jump scare back. I will get jump scare again. Dude, this is scaring me. Dude, Dwight. Oh, hell nah. Nakita ko yung kamay. This is a dead end. Dude, I'm brave. But no. How can I get back? Ay, nakita mo how?
Right here.
Ay, hindi pala. Dude, I'm stuck. Follow me. Where are you? I'm here. I will follow. Guys. Nice one. Now let's keep finding to the. Dude, do you say, dude? This split was good. Oh hell no! I'm literally hearing a dead end. God dang it! Oh, you dude, I hear you saying bad words, so don't saying bad words again, bro. Yan, Dude, saan na yun? Why me? Do I get... Dude, why me, dude? Follow me, boys. Why, sundan mo ako, sundan. Dude, this is getting me hard. We're gonna find the keys. We need to find the keys to... Dude, I'll get jump scared again and again, dude. Why this door is closed? Teka lang, maisa na nga ata siya. Good luck. Yeah. You know what? Continue finding the keys. To follow me. Dude. I will come back. I'll come back, boy. I will come back. Come back. Yo, follow me. Follow me. Follow me, everybody. Know what? Know what we should? No, dude. Don't move. Ala, bala ka dyan. Pang-burn ka nanininig na ang panano. Yung boses niya, ibig sabihin, teka lang, tito ata yun hindi, mali. Dude! Oh, hell na, nalib siya, Hell na, ako na, okay, hell na, okay, hell na.
Nalib na siya?
Oh, nalib, bakit? Don't distract me, dude. Don't distract me.
Oh, God.
Don't distract me. Don't distract.